Thank you for attending this virtual auction to support our cause. Here is a quick tutorial to help you navigate the platform. Now that you've registered for the event, it is important to select your notification settings. Whether you are bidding on your mobile, tablet, or desktop, there are three main views. On the Dashboard tab, you can see how much you are currently spending, the items you have bid on, and the items you are watching, winning, and have won. In the Auction tab, you can bid on silent or live auction items. Simply click on the View Item button to see a full description and additional images of the item. Here, you can either bid on the item, or if available, you may buy it now. With the live auction, you can also set the max bid amount that you are willing to spend on an item. In the Activity tab, you can see an overview of all your bidding activity. You will also be notified if you have been outbid, so pay attention to these updates so you don't miss your opportunity. Also, please notice the Donate button on your screen. This is where you can make a one-time donation or set up a monthly donation to support our cause. Thank you for watching. We wish you good luck on your bidding, and thank you again for participating in our auction event.